There's one gal I know who has raised $210 million over the last 6 years for one company down in Texas. 210 million. And she has all the systems, all the processes. She knows all the people. She was let go and now she's working in a different field. She's got about 9 months to wait for her non-compete. She's got 9 months for her non-compete to go away. And then I'm going to try really hard to hire her. Yeah.
Well, she can just do freelance. I'm sure you can hire her. Yeah, I mean, I'd be interested in talking to her also.
Well, she's in our community.
I'm like trying to think about, okay, so this latest project site we're looking at is it's listed for 16 million.
Okay.
Hopefully we would be able to get it for a little less. But I mean, you look at the whole capital stack, it's like 40 million. I mean, obviously the senior debt, but
that's a big project.
We would need. I mean, these guys that I'm talking to, they're building 200,000+ square feet. They're homeless shelters up in the Bronx, so like they're professional developers.
Sure.
So like this is sort of a normal size, even maybe a little smaller, but the capital requirements definitely that's I find that more daunting.
I don't know. If I could sit and like the two things I love, financial engineering, like making the math work, and the investment partnerships. Like if I could do that all day long for the rest of my career, I would be happy.
Right.
Yeah, I really do like it. I do like that piece of it.
I mean, it's good to stay in the lane that you like,
Yeah.
Like I like talking to potential real estate investors, I mean, I've been more trying to communicate with people that have access or that are part of, larger LP groups, because obviously if we're going to have a capital stack that big, we need a co-GP or a single institutional investor. We're not going to just raise that. And then it doesn't work too, because, construction loan, you've got to be able to get the construction loan. So, 20+ million in construction loan, like, we need someone else to come in and work on that also. So, it's just not like a syndicated raise of even $100,000 checks that's a massive undertaking. I don't know that really
$100,000 checks. Like
right. And then it's like less than 10% of conversation. So yeah, 400, you're talking about, well, there would be senior debt in there. So let's say it's even, 200 or 100, right? How many?
Still a lot of people.
Right. That's 10, maybe you'll get 10% of people you talk to invest, right? So that's 1,000 conversations. How long does that take?
Yeah. Well, at minimum of
half an hour.
No.
Yeah,
no,
an hour.
I mean,
right.
If you're going to really get $100,000 check, you got to become trustworthy, and that's not going to happen in a
30 minutes. Yeah. There's no way. So
Yeah,
like 1,000 hours, kind of. I mean, that's and it doesn't seem necessary because there's institutional capital out there. It's just a matter of kind of creating the right alignment. So I don't know. I've had a lot of conversations. I have some. I'm somewhat. I just haven't had somewhat optimistic. Haven't had a real deal to present to anyone. Like here it is. This is the thing. And then generate interest. But still, yeah. So you're. It's interesting to hear how it's been that effective for you.
Yeah.